Hi, and welcome to section 9, Scaling your application. In this section, we will see why, how, and when we need to scale our application. In this section, we will look at the why around scaling, and at microservices in Node.js, and we will bring a Node.js application to the cloud. Now we move on to the first video of this section, that deals with the why about scaling. Scaling is a term that everybody has heard about. We will go deeper into the term and tell you why and when you need to scale. In this video, we're going to take a look at what about scaling. We will go through all the stages of scaling, the vertical and the horizontal scale. Because before we are going to scale a Node.js application, we need to know what scaling is all about. What about scaling? Massive success is the best that can happen to any application, also to your application that you're going to build right after this course. This can be a blessing. We need to deal with high availability and avoid downtime. It's very important to scale when your number of users are growing and that you do it carefully. We'll use the term concurrent user here. That means the users that are hitting our application at the same time. Never scale too early. It will cost you a lot of money and also wasted effort. So first of all, we have some levels of scale. When we go to the next level, it depends upon the number of concurrent users. It's important to have some statistics around that in your infrastructure. So when you are the only one using your application, testing your application, and you don't want to show it to the outside world, you can stick with localhost for now. When you are confident about your application, you can put your application on a server in a hosted environment or in the cloud. Just one server, or the minimum requirements of a cloud instance. That's a good solution for demonstration purposes. The moment you have 9 simultaneous requests, your application is ready for the next phase. The next phase is vertical scaling. When you talk to your friends, you advertise a bit on social media and you get some buzz. Your application is hitting 10 to 99 concurrent users at this time. Web pages are getting slower to load. It's time to get a bigger box. We need to extend our single server with more resources. This is called vertical scaling. You simply make the machine bigger with higher, faster CPU, RAM and HDD. You can run 2 instances on this single server, and with an internal load balancer, you can balance the requests between each other. When one instance goes down, you can point all the requests to the other one. This will have an advantage that you will increase your availability. It looks like your hard work has paid off and you are reaching thousands of concurrent users. Imagine that. That would be great, right? After some time, the application gets slow again. Most of the time, I/O is the bottleneck. The database responds slower, so we'll increase the number of CPUs. When we do this, we are talking about horizontal scaling. There is a point where vertical scaling is not cost efficient anymore, and you need to switch to horizontal scaling. Vertical scaling has another issue. You put all your eggs in one basket. When the server is down, your application is down too. We can separate our database from our application. This can also be a big win. This will be done in this step very often. And then, when we are very popular and we have more than 1,000 concurrent users, we can go for a multi-server strategy. We'll split our architecture in an application units and start using multiple load balancers. Also, the splitting of responsibility is very important in this case. Bringing your statistic files to, for example, a content delivery network or CDN. Going from one monolithic application to multiple small Node.js applications is another important strategy. This strategy is called microservices. We will dive into more details about it in the next or one of the next videos. In this video, you learned some theory around scaling.